When a water heater fails, it can create a lot of water damage. Even slow leaks can eventually create an equal amount of water damage. This is why it's important to do a thorough inspection. Covenant Restorations is the first restoration company in Oklahoma that is IICRC certified in building moisture inspections. In fact, I'm also an IICRC approved instructor for building moisture inspection. Covenant Restoration specializes in building moisture inspections related to water heaters and the damage they can cause. We are devoted to restore your business, your church, and your home after a water heater failure. Call us at 918-321-HELP or visit our website at covenantrestorations.com.